I have characterized this pandemic as a crisis of health, a crisis of the economy, and a social crisis. In the Americas, we have about half the global number of cases, some 3.5 million cases in the Americas. Of course, the United States of America has a large share of this. We are seeing rising levels of transmission, some of them exponentially, in Brazil, in Chile and Peru, in South America, in Mesoamerica, in Mexico, also Panama and Costa Rica. In many of our vulnerable populations, they belong to the informal economy. So they have to go out every day. They must go out every day for their livelihood. They share public transportation. They cannot implement physical distancing. There is no facility for hand washing. So in fact, all of the public health measures that we're insisting to be able to protect yourself, they can't. And on top of that, they don't have significant access to health services. Even when the government says, well, you can come to health services and it's free, but they are so not used to running to a health service for a cough or a cold, because normally they would have to pay, or the service is so far away from them. So that's complicates really the efforts of the government to slow the transmission. The migrant population, the urban population that are living in low-income areas, Afro-descendants, so the Black population in Latin America is a vulnerable group as well. We saw around the Amazon basin, we are seeing really large number of outbreaks with large number of cases. The two most vulnerable groups in Brazil is your Afro-descendant population and the indigenous population. I'm not sure how you prepare for something of this magnitude and severity. It really is the event of your lifetime. I think as we go forward, we need to plan differently. So we need to do social inclusion and look after people's needs much better. We need to think going forward with an approach that is based on equity, on human rights, and solidarity. Because really, countries cannot think of going it alone. They have to come together. They have to share experiences. They have to confront challenges together.